market value of Tesla, the manufacturer of high-end electric cars, has actually surpassed that of Ford and General Motors.
Have you ever thought about how Tesla keeps making better electric cars? It's not just about cool designs and cars that can drive themselves. They're also making a lot of money. But Tesla doesn't work like other car companies. In this video, we'll see how Tesla makes money. By the end, you'll understand Tesla's business strategy, from selling cars to building a charging network. Let's talk about the main way Tesla makes money: selling cars. Like other car companies, Tesla earns cash by selling its electric vehicles. You might have heard of some of their models, like the Model 3 sedan and the Model Y SUV. But here's the twist: Tesla doesn't use dealerships. Instead, they sell directly to people through their own stores and websites. This approach allows Tesla to control the customer experience and potentially earn more profit on each car sold than the traditional dealership model. But Tesla's money machine doesn't stop at car sales. Here are some additional ways they generate income. Selling services. Tesla offers various services to car owners, like maintenance packages and software updates. These ongoing fees add up over time, creating a steady flow of income for Tesla. Think of it like buying ink cartridges for your printer. Each purchase might not be much, but over time, it all adds up. Solar panels and power walls. Tesla doesn't only focus on cars, they're also in the clean energy business. They sell solar panels and home battery systems called power walls. This allows homeowners to generate and store their own electricity, potentially reducing their reliance on the traditional power grid. It's like Tesla offering a full package for clean energy: a car, a way to generate power at home, and a place to store it. The Supercharger Network. One of Tesla's most interesting strategies is their network of supercharger stations. These stations charge Tesla cars quickly, allowing car owners to travel long distances conveniently. While new Tesla buyers can use these stations for free, later on, there might be fees. This creates another potential revenue stream for Tesla in the future. More importantly, the Supercharger Network helps overcome a major concern for people considering electric vehicles: range anxiety, the fear of running out of power before reaching a charging station. By building a reliable charging network, Tesla makes electric cars a more attractive option for a wider audience. Profits and growth. Tesla has been doing really well in terms of making money. In 2023, they made a huge $81.46 billion in revenue, as reported by 4-Week MBA. This is a big increase from before, showing how fast they're growing. What's even better is that Tesla is making a consistent profit. This is a big deal for any car company, especially one like Tesla that's all about new stuff, like electric cars. Tesla is always coming up with new ideas and growing its way of doing business. One big thing to watch out for is their work on self-driving technology. They're putting a lot of effort into making cars that can drive themselves. If this technology becomes something people can use, it could make Tesla even more money. Maybe they'll offer services you can subscribe to, or sell cars that can drive themselves. Tesla has also stepped into the world of insurance with its own car insurance company. This allows them to leverage their data on driving behavior and potentially offer competitive insurance rates to Tesla car owners. There's also something called the Tesla Network to keep an eye on. Picture a bunch of Tesla cars that can talk to each other and share information. This could lead to cool new stuff like getting live updates on traffic, or even cars that drive themselves and offer rides like a carpool service. Tesla's success isn't just about selling electric cars. It's about creating a sustainable future for transportation and clean energy. They make money from selling cars, offering extra services, selling clean energy gear, and having a smart charging network. By doing all these things, Tesla can earn money in different ways and keep on growing. So, what do you think? Does Tesla's business model make sense? Let us know in the comments below what you find most interesting about Tesla's approach. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for mini movies featuring stories about companies, businesses, and people. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.